What's up you guys, it's a brand new day today. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to Rocky Mountains, and since it was dark when we arrived yesterday, so we couldn't see the view completely from here. Yeah, I think there are street hawkers here in Colorado. Anyways, so the view behind me is quite beautiful, and I wish I had more time to stay here and enjoy the view, but right now I think even this is enough for me. So go and check it out. How's the Josh, guys?
Woo!
Why? How's the Josh?
Yo!
Oh my god,
Oh, hi.
this is
Good
just
to
the
you.
morning. We have a long day ahead. So after hours of sitting in the car, we are finally in the Rockies. The first spot we are gonna cover is Bear Lake. It's raining a little bit here and it's kind of really cold. And if you see behind me is the snow-clad mountains. And the view from here is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to see the other spots. And now it started raining heavily. So it's kind of really cold and it's also raining. It seems it had been snowing in the mountains lately. So there is still snow here and this whole road is very slushy. So we are using these sticks to walk around. None of us have gloves or anything for this weather. Careful, careful. And I think today is gonna be not only a long day, but also a difficult one. Like I said, it's gonna be a difficult day. We are at the Bear Lake right now. If you see the lake behind me, it's only a small portion of it is there. The rest of the part is frozen and we are standing on it right now. I don't know how long we are going to survive this weather because it's really cold. We don't have gloves or even proper jacket. So let's see how it goes. I think we're going to go to the next point now. Now we are on our way to Alberta Falls. The Emerald Lake seems to be frozen, so we are planning to not go there. And this thing seems to be harder than that we thought. Okay, my tongue seems to be frozen. Anyways, there's so much of snow around us. Now at least the snow has reduced, but it's raining and the road is so damn slushy that we have been slipping and it's been a risk to fall. तो जितना सोचा था उतना आसान नहीं है. लगा था 1 mile है, but it's so harder than that. It's more than a mile, and I guess somehow we'll make it there though. The Josh, guys.
Yo!
Neha,
Yes,
you still there with us?
I'm still there.
Okay.
ये नया पड़ाव है.
Yeah, this is the next step. We have to cross this marshy land now. Okay, go ahead, Neha.
Reaction video क्या होता है?
Do you guys find it worth it in this heavy snow?
Yes, of course.
No. Are you guys happy to see the fall?
Yes.
And are you guys happy to walk back again?
Yes.
No! The descent from Alberta Falls was not that difficult. It was quite easy and the weather also kind of improved. It is still cold, but it's not that snowy. Even though it was tiring and exhausting, my shoes are still wet. I did change my socks, but it's still uncomfortable to walk in those. Right now we are at Sprague Lake, and if you see, this is that point. We're gonna walk a little on the trail and then head to the next point from here. I can't get enough. at one of the scenic overlooks on our way to Alpine Ridge. Unfortunately, the road is closed behind us, so we might not be able to go to the Alpine Visitor Center and explore the view there. But the view here itself is so awesome that I think we can be still satisfied with this view even without going to Alpine. Since the morning the weather was really cloudy and finally it's sunny. That's why you can see the mountains so clearly, and I think this is one of the best views so far in the whole day. Okay. Ah! Ow! Oh my god! It went in my shoe!
मेरा तो पिंक है.
Okay. We are kind of near the falls because I can hear the waterfall, but so far the ride has been wet, slippery and crazy, bumpy. I don't know, I don't have words to describe how tedious it was to come till here. And Hasrita, I know you told me to bring gloves and you told me to be prepared for this weather, but made a wise decision to not listen to you. I did bring my gloves and everything, but I left them at the hotel. How smart of me. We are finally at the falls, I believe. And it has been snowing like crazy. क्या यही है वो जगह? और कितना ऊपर जाना है?
I think 0.2 miles.
Oh, my hands are aching and I feel like I'm dying. I'm tired.